Hello. I'm barely starting this channel, the game I'm playing today is gonna be called Killing Room. I'm gonna try it out. I've tried it out several times, died 12 times because of the stupid boss, and I know it's easy, but to me, the boss is pretty hard. So let's just get right into it, I guess. Mm, So, like I said, I do know how to play this game, but just that I suck. I suck so much. So please excuse me if you guys are getting mad that I am sucking at this. I just want to play it. Okay? Sorry. Mm, also, I'm just barely starting off this channel, like I said. So I'm playing this game just because it's popularity, basically popularity based. So if you guys can pick out what items I get, that would be great. I'm not for sure yet. If I can make it there yet, I just need to find a shotgun. Because these things are like, mm-mm. I some of them they generate some different stuff. So, oh shit, no. Oh, we'll have to do it again. Try this again. Stupid. Okay, trying it again. Okay, start game. Let's try this again. And I'm sorry if I don't edit because I'm using something from the internet. So and I can only pay for it right now, but I don't have the money right now to pay for it to do editing stuff. So I'm sorry if you guys had to sit through like what just happened. So I'm sorry about that. Hopefully it just load this time. Mm. Okay, now it's starting to work. So we'll just get right into it. Okay. Saving this weapon. I wish I had a fucking shotgun, but okay then. You have a new weapon. Ah! Room cleared. Whoa, Jesus Christ, that's a big fucking mousetrap. Um. I didn't have to use that thing then. Okay, let's go through over here real quick. What's in this room? Jesus Christ! Uh-oh. Reload, reload, reload. Faster! There we go. Get. What's this? Edward makeup. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna get a bad item. Just to get. What's this? In the last 50 years, this health problem caused over 40% of deaths in the civilian world. Your rate of fire is lower because you have problems pulling the trigger. Are you kidding me? Still looks fun to me. Okay. Ah, shit. Pray for me. This stuff is hard. Fuck! Well, that sucked. Mousetrap! Shit. There's a ducky. There's a little ducky. Ducky, come back. Oh no. There, I have saved the poor innocent ducky. Now I'm gonna get another bite at him. I don't care. What is this? Oh no! Firmly grasp it. Ow! Max health is 45. I swear to God, it was the other time ago. I am not losing popularity. No. Oh wait. Let me go through the other doors. See what they have over there. No. There we go. How much money do I have? Ah shit. Boo hoo! I need money. Breathing is hell, isn't it? You can buy new lungs if you win Killing Room. Are you kidding me? Money as Guardian reporting for duty. Oh yeah. Stop looking at me, robot. But now I don't have enough for this. Shit. Let's see what's in door number uno. Shit. What the fuck? I'm aiming straight at them. There. Now. Oh. Some sweet skills, bruh. Sweet skills, bruh. Wait. Go back over there. Oh. Ouch. Ah, shit. This one's hard. No. Oh well. Time to face the boss, I guess. Boo-hoo. If I don't make it, let's just gotta stop it here and then try to do it again, I guess. When I get some practice in, I guess. Yeah, I know everybody's saying that this one's easy. Shut up. Ouch. Come on, you're almost dead. Come on. No! Well, I'm sorry, guys. I'm just gonna have to leave it here. Sorry. Okay? See ya. See y'all next time. Sorry.